Dhruv, can you hear me? मैं पंखे में ले लूँ। Class, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good
afternoon,
ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon.
Okay, fine, class. Let everyone come. It is fine. I'll be taking them in. I'll take your attendance in a short while. So, because first class we discussed about the civics chapter. In this class, let us do geography worksheet. Right, Aksada? You are saying something?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, I was saying good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, Bache. We'll do a worksheet, geography worksheet. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen here with you people. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it showing?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp it's showing, no? Fine. Where has that WhatsApp gone?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Did we do this in the class?
No, ma'am.
Children?
No.
So let us do one thing. Let's
No,
do this.
ma'am.
Fine. So we'll do this. Right. There are 10 questions that you have over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, these are 10 questions, 1 mark questions, 1 word answers, not too much of detailing. So tell me, how much time do you need?
Ma'am, 10 minutes.
Huh?
10
Ma'am,
minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
10 minutes?
Yes,
Yes.
sufficient for this.
Fine. So it is 12:05 and your time starts now.
We
As-
have to do in fair copy
Yes, do
and
it.
have to send on group.
And send it on the group. As soon as you're done with these answers, send it on the group. I'll check there, right?
Ma'am, when we
Hmm?
when we will send our work, then we have to do the send these worksheet also.
Of course, of course. Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to do it within before 10 minutes so that I can do 3-4 worksheets more with you. Small worksheets, right? चली गई.
Ma'am, we have to write question answers both.
Only answers, only answers. Put the numbering and answers only you have to say. Shreya, do you know what we are doing, beta? Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
What are we doing, you know? We are doing this worksheet which is showing on the screen. Ayush, are you there? Ayush Singh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, in the sixth question, do we have a choice or we have to do the both?
Both questions you do. It is a practice this thing, not both the questions. Abhinav, do you have any problem? Abhinav? Abhinav Pandey? Abhinav? Abhinav, are you there, beta? Abhinav? बेटा अभिनव, आप अगर मीटिंग में नहीं हो तो आपको हटा दें हम. प्लीज रिप्लाई. Okay, we have Anya, Agrim, Akansha, Aksada, Deepshikha, Devansh, Dhananjay, Dhruv, Faiz, Malay, Swali, Nikhil, Ramsha, Shreya, Vishesh. Sanya is not feeling well. She has not read. Class, tell me, is Priyanshu doing his classes?
Yes, ma'am. He was in first
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
And after that?
No, ma'am. Only first class.
What was your first class today? Which was it? Gagan sir's class?
Chemistry.
Chemistry,
Neeraj sir.
Neeraj sir.
Neeraj
Ma'am,
sir.
Neeraj.
Okay, fine. And after that, he has not attended any of the classes.
No,
What
ma'am.
What about Mehak? Is she attending her classes?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Only first.
Huh?
Ma'am, first class.
Mehak also did only first class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These people are not doing their classes regularly.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. बोलो बच्चे. बोलो
Excuse me,
धनंजय.
ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
last
the
question
6th
में
में
ma'am.
मैम
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम ये 6th का फर्स्ट पार्ट है, सेकंड पार्ट है, दोनों सेम है.
दोनों करेंगे बच्चे. बोथ you have to do.
नहीं मैम, दोनों
Ma'am.
सेम है.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ वो दोनों सेम है.
अलग अलग तरीके से पूछा गया है, बस उस हिसाब से आंसर दे दो आप. It is fine.
Yes,
Yes, send it on the group. I'll check here there only.
ma'am.
Yes beta.
Ma'am, last 10 question में ma'am name the two important bead rowing zones in
Zones.
India. तो
Yes.
मैम उसमें मैम स्टेट को की जो
Zone.
एरिया है वो लिख.
बेटा जो एरिया है, जिन
Okay.
एरिया में ग्रो होती है, वो एरिया का नाम स्पेसिफाई करा गया है उसके अंदर ना.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent it on the group.
Okay. Let me see. Those were sent.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम लास्ट क्वेश्चन में अगर मैं गंगा सतलुज प्लेन्स लिखूं तो वो सही रहेगा.
बिल्कुल जोन
Yes,
वही है
ma'am.
बेटा. गंगा
Okay,
सतलुज प्लेन और एक और दो आपको बतानी है ना.
हाँ दूसरा डेक्कन.
फैज आपने 10 क्वेश्चंस पूरे नहीं भेजे हैं, ओनली 9 क्वेश्चंस यू हैव सेंड.
Ma'am, the 10th question is on the next photo, picture.
अरे एक ही में लिख लेते बच्चे. लुक एट योर हैंड राइटिंग.
No, ma'am, it's right.
आंसर इज करेक्ट बट द राइटिंग पार्ट.
Ma'am, I will work on it.
हाँ प्लीज डू दैट. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. Okay. What about others? Others have not said. Only Faz has sent it on the group.
Ma'am, sending.
Fine, fine. I'm waiting. Okay.
मैम सेंट.
Sent. Okay. Primitive subsistence. ठीक है. Fine. Who else has sent? Okay. Anya has also sent. Primitive.
मैम माय आंसर्स आर करेक्ट.
हाँ. अभी मैं सबके देख रही हूँ बेटा. 2 मिनट दो मेरे को. बेटा मलय ये where highly you have written, no, write thickly populated. Thickly. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Polly's handwriting. Yes. Thickly populated. Okay. 10th is not correct, Swali.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you know the correct answer, right? Right. All have done this?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. No, ma'am.
बेटा 10 मिनट का
Ma'am,
डिसाइड
I sent.
हाँ आई एम चेकिंग
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay. Quickly answers to the questions. Type of farming in which crops are grown using primitive tools, Dhananjay?
Primitive subsistence farming.
Very good. Fairs. Next one. Zooming refers to what type of cultivation?
Shifting cultivation.
Very good. Dhruv. Intensive subsistence farming is practiced in which area?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Agrim.
Ma'am,
Intensive subsistence farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land.
ठीक है. Very good. Intensive subsistence farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land or in thickly populated regions of the country.
Thickly populated region.
Which term is used for grouping of small land holdings with bigger ones? Anya?
yes.
Ma'am,
can I?
Okay, wait a second. Let me see who all are there. No. Yes, Akansha.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell answer to this question.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Which term is used for grouping of small land holdings with bigger ones?
Ma'am, clubbing.
It is anybody for this answer?
Ma'am,
Collectivization.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
collectivization.
already.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Cultivation.
collectivization.
It is consolidation. Collectivization नहीं consolidation बोलेंगे इसको, ठीक है?
Okay.
Grouping को consolidate करना बोलते हैं. चलिए. Then which crop is commercial crop in one state while subsistence crop in another state?
Ma'am, rice.
Rice.
Very good. Do you know the names of the states where it is commercial and where it is subsistence?
Ma'am, Punjab. Ma'am,
Ma'am, in
Punjab in commercial in
Ma'am,
Punjab
Odisha
and
it is
Odisha, ma'am.
subsistence.
Very good. Punjab commercial and Odisha. Odisha
Odisha
is
subsistence.
subsistence. Very good. Very good.
Yes.
Season in which rabi crops are grown?
October to
Winter.
December.
October, ma'am,
Winter
winter
season.
season.
Very good. Very good. October to December. Then states like Assam where 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. Any 2 you have to name. Deepshikha.
Jowar.
Deepshikha, do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat the question.
Array, question number 8.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Tell.
Ma'am, may I?
अरे
Ma'am,
कोई भी
may I?
बता दो. Collectively you tell
Ma'am,
what is
Oats, Aman, and Boro.
Ma'am, O Saman and Bolo.
or Saman Boro. These are the 3 varieties that are grown. Okay.
Yes.
Second most important cereal crop grown in India.
Wheat.
Wheat.
Wheat. All have written wheat.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first is rice.
First is rice, then second is wheat. Now 2 important zones in India.
Ganga and
First
is
Satluj.
Ganga,
Satlaj
Satluj,
Plain,
Black
and
Sea region
is
of Deccan.
Black
Very
region
good.
of Deccan.
Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. Very good.
Deccan.
Ma'am, can you tell the 4th answer again?
Fourth answer is consolidation
Consolidation.
consolidation of land holdings. 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 Consolidation of कौन सी वर्कशीट एक चेक कर ले. Fine. Shall we do the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अब आ जाओ आप इस वाले पे. हाँ. Fill in the blanks. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have done this earlier.
This we
Yes,
have
ma'am,
done.
we
Then
have
it is
done this.
fine. Very good. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yeah.
also we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. What about this?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this
No, ma'am.
also.
Done or not?
Ma'am,
No,
done.
ma'am.
Fine. This one also done. Match the following.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. What about this?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Very good. अब आप बताओ हमको. रुको अभी आ रहा है सब धीरे धीरे आ रहा है. ओके 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 ओके. ये वाला करा है हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Others? Have we done this?
Yes, ma'am. We have done
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Very good. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ?
ma'am.
पक्का?
Yes, ma'am. We have
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. This one we have done.
No, ma'am.
This is of
No,
history.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. This one is.
चलिए, let us
Ma'am,
do.
this is history.
This is history. I know. Let us do this.
Ma'am, only 4 questions are there.
नहीं नहीं, we will discuss. नहीं नहीं, there are more questions, बेटा. चलो. First one. The non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in which month and year? Agrim. Anybody who knows this answer? Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, January 1921.
January.
Ma'am, January
1921.
19. Yes,
January
ma'am.
1920.
January 1920.
Ma'am, January 1921.
Very good. January
Yes,
1921. Second, why was the non-cooperation movement called off by Gandhiji? Vishesh, do you know the answer? Vishesh?
Ma'am, because of the Chauri
Ma'am,
Chora
ma'am, because of the
Ma'am, due to the
Chora.
Chauri Chora violent incident.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first one.
Option A, due to the Chauri Chora violent incident. Okay, next. Which among the following passed the Rowlatt Act?
Imperial Legislative Council.
Imperial Legislative Council.
Very good.
Ma'am, Imperial Legislative Council.
Legislative Council. Very good. Who announced a vague offer of dominion status for India in 1929?
Ma'am,
Viceroy
ma'am,
Irwin.
Viceroy Irwin.
Irving.
Very good. Very good. Next. Wait a second. Arey. Where has it disappeared? Okay. Here.
मैम वो भी पेयर कॉपी में करनी थी.
हाँ कर लीजिएगा. Who created the first image of Bharat Mata?
मैम बंकिम चंद्र.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
first one.
Ma'am, Bankim
Okay,
Chandra
Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Very good. Very good.
चट्टोपाध्याय.
Very good. Next. Next is the Simon Commission was boycotted in India because
मैम first there was no Indian member in the commission.
Ma'am, there was no
Ma'am,
Indian
there
member
was
in the
no
commission.
Indian member in the commission.
very good because there was
Ma'am,
no
A1.
member in the commission.
Ma'am, A.
Very good. Seven. The leader of militant guerrilla movement in the Godan Hill was
मैम बाबा रामचंद्र.
Baba Ramchandra, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It was Baba Ramchandra nahi the beta. It was Alluri Sitaram Raju, no?
Okay.
Baba Ramchandra was in Awadh.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Which one of the following combination color was there is in the Swaraj flag designed by Gandhiji in 1921?
Ma'am, red, green, white.
मैम red green white.
Ma'am, red, green, yellow.
Ma'am, red, green.
It was red, green, yellow, not white.
Yes, ma'am. Red, green, yellow.
Yes, ma'am. Red, green, yellow.
Option B, red, green, yellow. Then in which one of the following regions was Dalit participation limited in the civil disobedience movement?
मैम अवध and महाराष्ट्र.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Awadh and
Awadh.
Maharashtra.
Ma'am, Awadh,
Awadh and
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Awadh and Maharashtra. Very good. Then which of the following is not true regarding Rowlatt Act 1919?
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Ma'am, please.
Acha, which of the following is not true regarding? हाँ.
Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, the act control the
Yes, ma'am.
movement
The
of.
act control the
should be
movement of
option
land.
Ma'am,
C.
option D.
Beta, Rowlatt Act.
मैम B. मैम B.
Ma'am, D.
मैम it is B.
Beta, option C. It
Okay.
empowered the government to detain the political prisoner without trial.
Not.
Option C.
Not.
Okay, what was Rowlatt Act?
Ma'am, it was an act through which the
It was an act
government
which
had
controlled.
enormous power to repress political activity and allow detention of political prisoners
Ma'am,
without
option B.
trial of true year.
Ma'am, option B.
Ma'am, option
Correct
B.
answer. Very good,
B.
very good, very good. Next, what was the who was the author of book Swaraj India Hind Swaraj?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Rabindranath
Mahatma
Tagore.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma
Mahatma
Gandhi.
Very good, very good. Which incident marked the beginning of civil disobedience movement?
Ma'am, option D. Option B.
When
Ma'am,
Gandhiji
option
left
B.
the
Ma'am,
Congress.
option D. When Gandhi violated the
Violated the
Act.
Salt Act. Very good. When Gandhiji violated the Salt Act.
Yes.
Who organized the Dalits into the Depressed Classes Association?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Beta. Who organized the
Ma'am,
Dalits?
ma'am B.R. Ambedkar.
Ma'am, it
Dr.
was
B.R.
Motilal
Ambedkar.
Nehru.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Very good. Who among the following was the author of the famous novel Anand Mat?
Ma'am, Abhinath.
Abhin-
Abanindranath Tagore.
Nath Tagore.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Author of Anand Mat.
Ma'am, Ravindranath.
नहीं बेटा, बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय भाई।
बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय।
It was not.
मैम ऑप्शन ए।
हाँ।
Ma'am, excuse ma'am.
Yes बेटा।
Ma'am, please 10th one again, ma'am, please.
What?
Ma'am, 10th question.
10th question.
Answer.
10th question में पूछ रहा है which of the following is not true regarding, अच्छा not true regarding roll attack. ओहो।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, D option.
Ma'am, it is D option.
Yes, ma'am. See, we were right.
अच्छा, sorry. Then D is the correct answer. The act enrolled the movement of plantation workers. D is the correct answer. ठीक है. All 15 done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next.
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे चलिए, this one. Gandhi ji in his work Hind Swaraj said that, which option is correct? Which is the correct option? Beta, which is the correct option? Gandhi ji in his book Hind Swaraj said that.
Ma'am,
The
Indian
government must concede
Ma'am,
the right to
Indian.
sort.
B.
In his
Ma'am,
book,
B.
option B is the correct answer. Indians must not cooperate with the British. Then which pact resolved the issue of separate electorates for Dalits between Gandhi ji and Ambedkar ji in 1932?
Ma'am, Pune Pact.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Pune Pact.
Option
Ma'am,
C.
Ma'am, Pune Pact.
Pune.
Very good. Pune Pact. Next. Which one of the following leaders has headed Awadh Kisan Sabha?
Ma'am, Motilal Nehru.
No.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Ma'am, Jawaharlal.
Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru, option A. Who led the peasant movement in Oudh during the non-cooperation movement?
बाबा
Mahatma Gandhi.
Baba Ram.
Baba Ram.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Na,
Ma'am,
Baba
Baba Ramchandra.
Mahatma
Ramchand.
Gandhi.
Baba Ramchand. Beta, Mahatma Gandhi is not the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized.
Ma'am, the power of
Ma'am,
truth and the
option
need to search for
Ma'am,
truth.
option B.
And A.
Option A, the power of truth and
Ma'am,
the.
option A.
Yes, very good. Option A. Then, in which city Mahatma Gandhi launched Satyagraha in 1916?
Amritsar.
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad.
अहमदाबाद
1916.
No, ma'am, in Champaran.
Ma'am, Kerala.
Yes, in Champaran. Very good. In Champaran. Then in which city Mahatma Gandhi launched the Satyagraha in 1918?
Ma'am, it was also in Kheda.
It was in Kheda. Very good. Very good. Then Mahatma Gandhi started his famous salt march from his ashram in Dash to the Gujarati coastal
Sabarmati
town of
Kheda.
Sabarmati Dandi.
Sabarmati Dandi. Option B is the correct answer. Very good, Dhananjay. Under the Gandhi-Irvine Pact, Gandhiji decided. What Gandhiji decided?
Cooperate with Muslim League.
No.
Decide not to
Decide to
violate.
call off the civil disobedience.
Ma'am,
Yes.